All right, so for this activity today, we're going to be taking a step back from your projects that you've been working on and focusing a little bit more on learning some Python code. So for this activity, we're going to be completing this Astro Pi Mission 0 exercise. It uses a Raspberry Pi and a Sense Hat, although we don't need to use a Raspberry Pi or a Sense Hat for this exercise because there's an online emulator that we're going to use. But in a future class session, we'll bring out the Sense Hats and we'll take a look at what we can do with them so you can explore what it looks like in real life. On board the International Space Station that's orbiting Earth, they have actually two Raspberry Pis with two Sense Hats on them. And they run code that young people have written to conduct experiments in space. So you can actually get data from the space, from the ISS, and see kind of what things are like out there. So we're going to be completing this mission. It's the link I will post to class up on the board. And you're going to go through the online emulator. And it's step-by-step with all of the instructions of what to do. Each of these is a different page with some activities on it. And you're going to go through kind of at your own pace to independently complete the exercise. An example of what you're going to make is on the first page. So if you click Run, you can see this is what you're going to create. So you're going to scroll a message across the screen. In this example, they display the temperature in degrees. So there's a temperature sensor. And then they show a picture based off of the temperature. So if the temperature changes dramatically, let's say it's really, really hot in the International Space Station, you can just drag that slider up to 88 degrees Celsius, which is really hot. Here the readout reflects that new temperature, and then the picture may be different. Well, it's the same picture. I wonder if maybe it's different if it's really, really cold. And so that's an example of what you can do with this project. We'll learn how to write the code yourself so that you can customize that and make it what you want. It doesn't have to necessarily take a temperature reading. You can also get the atmospheric pressure and the humidity as well and adjust the pictures based off of those bits of information. So when you go to the website, we're going to kind of run the program, make sure you know how it works, and then you're going to just click those green buttons at the bottom of each page so you can continue going. I'd like you first to read this page. If you'd like to, you can read it with the partner sitting next to you. But let's just read the text on this page, watch the video so you can see what it all looks like, and make sure you understand how this emulator works. And in the next video, you'll actually go onto this website where you can write some code yourself. So first, get to this page, what is an Astro Pi, and read it with a partner.